The government approves deployment of about 50,000 more soldiers on China border, troops to be headquartered at Panagarh in West Bengal.
Centre approves proposal to give more powers to SEBI to regulate Ponzi schemes, allows monitoring of call data records and searches of dubious companies.
Union Cabinet approves marriage law amendment bill. The bill provides for better compensation to wife and children. Also approves a proposal which allows courts to exercise discretion in granting divorce.
The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs approves an allocation of additional 50 lakh tons of food grains to states and union territories for below poverty line families.
Naxal strike near Aurangabad in Bihar, 5 including 3 security personnel killed.
In Bihar, midday meal tragedy, the death toll now mounts to 22. 3 children are still critical. One hits life in Saran district. Education Minister P.K. Shahi suspects conspiracy behind the tragedy.
Supreme Court says nothing should be left to find the truth in coal block probe. Asks CBI not to share probe report contents with government even while seeking sanction for prosecution.
Newly appointed Chief Minister of Jharkhand Hemant Soren to seek vote of confidence for his coalition government in a special assembly session in Ranchi.
BJP Parliament Board likely to meet in New Delhi today. BJP Campaign Committee President and Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi to attend the meeting.
Apex Court turns down plea to reduce age of juvenile from 18 to 16 years, rejects the plea that juveniles involved in heinous crimes be treated as adults.
A Delhi court reserves for July 19th its order on the CBI's plea seeking to summon Reliance ADA Group Chairman Anil Ambani, his wife Tina Ambani and others as prosecution witnesses in the 2G spectrum case.
Bahujan Samaj Party expels MP Vijay Bahadur Singh from the party in the wake of his remarks in support of Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi.
Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh to chair the first meeting of the Committee of Secretaries headed by Cabinet Secretaries set up to ensure timely implementation of projects in Northeast, and the meeting will take place today in New Delhi.
The Chief Justice of India, Justice Altamas Kabir, is to retire today after having a little over 9 months tenure. Supreme Court Judge P. Satasivam to succeed him.
In a big FDI pullout, world's largest steel maker ArcelorMittal scraps rupees 50,000 crore steel project in Odisha.
In Bangladesh, Jamaat-e-Islami Secretary General Ali Ehsan Mujahid is sentenced to death for committing crimes against humanity during the country's 1971 liberation war.
After Trent Bridge, focus shifts to Lord's for the second test in Ashes series. England names unchanged squad. Australia could revamp team to boost chances.
Deepika Kumari and Laishram Bombala Devi helped India finish second behind China in the recurve qualification round of the Archery World Cup Stage 3 being held in Colombia.
South Africa celebrates the 95th birthday of its anti-apartheid icon Nelson Mandela today, even as the revered statesman remains critically ill in a hospital. Nelson Mandela's International Day will be observed on July 18th every year.
First death anniversary of India's first superstar Rajesh Khanna is being observed today. Legendary actor, lovingly called Kaka, acted in over 125 movies, mesmerizing audiences by his charismatic acting.